Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to activate Midjourney V6. So let's begin. Okay, so to begin with, as of the moment, the update of activating Midjourney is not a default setting for all users. So the first thing you need to do is to enable it in the Midjourney Discord server. Now from here, as you can see, you have been invited to join the Midjourney server, and all you're gonna do is just click on continue. And I believe right now you have your own Discord account. If you haven't done so, this is a perfect time for you to create one, for you to be able to enable Midjourney V6. Just click on already have an account here. Now click on continue. Now once you are there, all you're gonna do is type in /settings in the Midjourney Discord server, or direct message to the Midjourney bot. Now, in selecting V6, you need to choose V6 from the drop-down menu, or manually type V6 after your prompts. So what will happen is it'll show something like this one. Now, as you can see with Midjourney V6, the approach to prompting right here has undergone notable changes compared to the previous versions, if you are familiar with Midjourney. Now, basically, what happened was there's an increase in sensitivity to prompts because Midjourney V6 is much more sensitive to the specific wording of prompts. That means you need to be more explicit and avoid using vague terms like award-winning, photorealistic, or resolution specifications like 4K or 8K. And you also have the option for prompt styles and length because V6 allows now the more accurate prompt, allowing and can handle longer prompts, and you have a detailed and descriptive prompt itself. And of course, you can also have the option to an image text generation and adjustment of styling and aesthetics. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.